Let me show you how I control my air conditioner with regular wall buttons. For this I'm using Shelly i4 Plus and Home Assistant. Here's a demonstration. Long pressing the down button turns AC off. Long pressing up button turns AC on. With single clicks you control the temperature. To make this work you need Shelly i4 Plus and Home Assistant. This is how you wire the Shelly i4 Plus. In my case I'm using signal wire 2 and signal wire 3. I will not go into details how to set it up and add it to Home Assistant. There are plenty tutorials on YouTube. These are my automations in Home Assistant. This is the automation for turning off the air conditioner. This is the automation for turning on the air conditioner. Now the automation for increasing the temperature. And lastly, the automation for decreasing the temperature. All you need is 4 automations.